Welcome to Emiliana Imballaggi. In this presentation, I will talk to you about the reinforced folding crate E-Force, designed to ensure maximum strength, safety, and durability. The E-Force crate is made of high-quality plywood with structural reinforcements on the sides, designed to adapt to the load requirements. This ensures greater protection against weather conditions and resistance to temperature fluctuations, making it ideal for maritime shipments as well. With bottoms available in 2- or 4-way versions, E-Force is robust, highly resistant to stacking, and compliant with international phytosanitary standards, certifying safe and environmentally friendly transport. This is because the wood is treated to prevent biological contamination. The main features are reinforcements designed for heavy loads, greater durability and protection from external agents, customizable with logos, handles, dividers, and hooks. The E-Force crate is perfect for transporting delicate industrial components, such as motors or heavy equipment, that require robust packaging protected from shocks and external agents. Thanks to its structural reinforcements and mechanical strength, it ensures safe transport even in complex logistical conditions. If the E-Force crate is the ideal solution for your shipments, contact us.